IG Operations DK Bura is coordinating with Rajasthan Frontier as DG BSF briefed MHA officials BSF to follow IB protocols in true spirit, unlike the case of Pakistan post joint interrogation by multiple agencies. It's been learnt that he is not found guilty and the flag meeting will be called. He will be handed over as per protocol without any deviation from the rule book. IG Operations DK Bura, who's coordinating with Rajasthan Frontier, as DG BSF briefed MHA officials. I believe Vivek has further information on the same. Over to you, Vivek.
देखिए, ये जो डीके बूरा है वो लगातार राजस्थान पुलिस से और वहाँ के जो ऑफिशियल्स हैं उनके साथ लगातार समन्वय कर रहे हैं और उनके लगातार वो जो है कनेक्शन में बने हुए हैं। बात ये आई है कि अगर रूल बुक के अनुसार अगर ये गिल्टी नहीं पाया जाता है जो रेंजर है तो उसे वापस सौंप दिया जाएगा, क्योंकि हम तो पाकिस्तानियों की तरह है नहीं, पाकिस्तानियों की तरह हरकत करते नहीं है, नियम कानून से चलते हैं। तो डीके बूरा जो है उन्होंने बात की है और वो लगातार ये बात कह रहे हैं कि अगर वो गिल्टी नहीं पाया जाता है तो बीएसएफ जो है रूल फॉलो करेगी, जो आईबी के प्रोटोकॉल्स हैं वो फॉलो करेगी और उसे वापस पाकिस्तान को सौंप दिया जाएगा। अभी फिलहाल इसी बारे में समन्वय बैठक की जा रही है।
All right, many thanks for getting us those details. Moving on, special counter-terrorism forces have launched search operations in dense forests near the line of control in Kashmir Valley. These highly trained units are operating in tough terrains where inputs suggest the presence of terrorists using abandoned forest structures, locally known as duaks or as hideouts, as we call it. Arawat, who's filed several reports to give you a sense of what they look like. Take a look.
Seen that the mega anti-terror operation is on across the Jammu and Kashmir, and this time we have seen that the special forces are conducting a search at the sensitive forest areas in the various parts of the Kashmir Valley. This time you can see the exclusive visuals. We will not reveal the location where this ongoing operation is going on, but you can see the special forces are doing the operation right now here in the various sensitive areas of the Kashmir Valley. Also, if my Vijay can pan camera to this side, and you can see that how these special forces are going inside the forest areas at the sensitive locations in the Kashmir Valley. We have already seen that these kind of operations are taking place in the multiple locations of the Kashmir Valley. This all comes when we have seen the deadly terror attack in the South Kashmir's Pahalgam, where we have seen that the 26 civilians lost their lives in the deadly terror attack. But we have seen that these special forces have taken their positions now in the dense forests. Also, this operation was launched after these forces received the intelligence-based input about the presence of some terrorists in this area. Then after, the forces are heading towards the sensitive spots in the forward locations across the Kashmir Valley. This all comes when we have seen the deadly terror attack in the South Kashmir's Pahalgam, and you can see how these troopers are having their different communication, and then after they are moving toward the target point. And these are the exclusive visuals that Republic is showing you, and we have seen that the forces have committed to revenge the Pahalgam terror attack. We have seen the forces in the special forces have also joined in this operation, and this time we have seen they are going towards the target where the input was received by the special forces about the presence of some terrorists in the area. Then after, we have seen these special forces are doing operation along the line of control. We have seen also that the back-to-back ceasefire violation by the Pakistani troopers on the Indian post, but we have also seen that the Indian army is giving them the befitting reply. But this time we have seen that the mega anti-terror operation is not only here underway, but across the various districts of the Jammu and Kashmir where these kind of operations are taking place. we will also show you how the troopers are deployed here and now what next they are going to do. And also this will be the completely exclusive on the Republic TV, that how the troopers are here and they are going toward the forward locations. For the security reasons, we will not reveal the location of this area for the security reasons, but yes, you can see that the special forces are holding the arms and ammunition along with him, and they are moving toward the forest areas. If my Vijay can pan camera to this side, and you can see the deployment of the special forces in the dense forests. And also we have seen the entire area has been cordoned off by the joint security forces. This operation has been launched after when we have seen the multiple intelligence reports suggest that terrorists might try to strike a few locations in the Kashmir Valley, but we have seen that the high alert has been issued across the Jammu and Kashmir, from line of control areas to the cities and towns of the Kashmir Valley.